hustle, 20% skill, 15% of concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 10% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. You know what time it is, it's time that we get it in, so make no mistake about it, these boys play the game to win. It's all about hustling, it's all about heart, man, so keep the defibrillators not needed to spark them. You feel the intensity, the energy in the air, this window of opportunity, these moments are very rare, so how can you even dare? A question, not destiny, 100% effort, yeah, you getting the best from me, but never the best of me. I give it my all, training hard all summer so we can shine in the fall, so we can shine when we ball, yeah, we play as a team, so look deep into our eyes because our focus is keen. It's all heart, all hustle, all power, all skill, 15% of concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 10% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. Click, clack, other teams get back. Keller Indians, and we here to represent that. Under Armour boys, we protect this house. Pouncing on the field like a tiger on a mouse. It's a rumble in the jungle, we the kings of the beast. Big game cavellas, eat the famine or you feast. And we a pack of hungry lions that you cannot tame. And like EA Sports, we in the game. This is 50% hustle, 20% skill, 15% of concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 10% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. 100% reason to remember the name. This is a passion, yeah, this here is more than the game. This is family, friendship, community, team. And in this line of work, sometimes this business is mean, but stay focused and keep your eyes on the prize. Keep pressing towards the goal while taking heed from the wise. Keep hustling, training, determined to win. At first you don't succeed, then get back up and try again, cause quitting's not an option. They say winning's overrated. Those who saying that are the ones who never played it. Winning's not the only thing, I say is everything. It ain't over till it's over, till that fat lady sing. This here is Sparta, we are 300, and on that battlefield, that is just the way we run it. That's the way we run it, we bring in the pain, and when it's said and done, you'll remember the name. Remember the name, we conquered, we came, and with our bare hands, man, the lion was slain. We fighting giants, call us King David. We got 5 smooth stones that we like to play with. Let me hear you say it, them boys got swagger. That last touchdown, yeah, that one was a dagger. The nail in the coffin, that's the ball game. The Keller Indians, remember the name. 50% hustle, 20% skill, 15% of concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 10% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. This is 50% hustle, 20% skill, 15% of concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 10% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name.